How to connect Notion to n8n. So in order to connect your Notion to your n8n, what you can do is you just need to proceed to your actual n8n workflow. Then we having here a trigger event. Let's add right here an action event. Click on this plus icon. And then in here you can see this action in app. So we already have Notion right here. We can just search for the node of Notion onto the search bar. So for example, let's search right here for Notion. Here is Notion. Click on this. And choose right here the action that you wish to use. So on my case, I'll choose right here this create the page option. Once you have done that, this will present you this input. Choose right here the credential to connect with, then click on this create new credential. You can choose a connection right here like the secret as well as the HTTP request domain. So for this, head over to your new tab and head over to Notion. I have in here this particular database. Just click on this three dots and click on this connections. Click on this add connection and you can just choose right here the connection that you want. For this, let's manage it. And you can find right here your connections that you can use. You have a new connection for type 4. So what we need to do is we need to generate the internal integration secret. Alternatively, you can also head over to notion.so/profile/integrations. Click on this new integration and add in here the integration name. I'll choose n8n and choose right here the associated workspace. Type of right here, let's choose internal. You can add logo and from there click on save. So continue to the configuration settings and we have in here the integration secret. You can proceed to actually show it and then copy it. Just proceed to click on this show and click on copy and then head back to your Notion and add it right here. Click on save. And after that, this will connect your Notion account. So just close it up right here and you should be able to see this right there. We have now this. Now from this, just proceed to add this onto your canvas and you can proceed to execute this step. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.